HTML comments. Today we will learn about comments. There are two types of comments: single line comment and multi-line comments. So first of all, we will learn about single line comments. You have seen that I have put it here as tags and exclamation sign and write your comments here. So this is smaller than bread and greater than, so this is acting like a tag, you can say. So this is called a single line comment. So whatever we will put inside this comment, it will be hidden and it will not be shown to in the browser. So this is called a single line comment. So if I will execute this file, you will see that this code is executed. HTML comments, HTML comment, this is a header section, and I have written here in single line comment, write your comment here. So you can see this line is not being displayed in the browser. So when you will put a comment, it will not be shown by browser. Then the other type of comment is a multi-line comment. So you can see I put it here. This is multi-line comment. This is multi-line comment, and after this p closing tag. So this is the multi-line comment. So exclamation sign, and then I put something here, one line, and then again I put this line, image tag, and this is a p tag. Then I closed this tag. So this is whatever I have written here, it is hidden in the browser. So you can see it is not visible here. So hello above, write hello above, write your comment here. I have put it, this line is a comment and will not be displayed by browser. So this is a single line comment and this is a multi-line comment.